Plant art, also a favorite. I have lots of favorites, can you tell? And plant art is a major player in all three of the aforementioned styles. It adds visual interest and texture to your walls or surfaces, and it breaks up the monotony of flat surfaces, adding depth to the room. So whether it's the intricate patterns of a botanical print or the lush greenery of plants adorned around the space like sculptures, plant art draws the eye and creates a focal point in the space. And there are all types of plants for every temperament and green thumb status, believe me. Pothos and aloe vera are my go-tos for beginners, so I would highly suggest those if you are the person who says, Charlie, I am not good at growing plants. These are super resilient, even when you forget to water them, okay? And as far as plants go, get this. It's a twofer. You get the plants and the art all in one. How cool is that? Amazing. Thank you for being here today. Take care and be well.